boys, I've got this sick idea. Let's do a rat.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah. Oi, boys, I've got a sick idea. Let's do a rat.
Where's my clips? Can you send me my clips tonight?
Oi, when's the edit coming out, boys?
Hard Dance 2016 legend.
Legend.
Yo. Yeah, the bin was full down the shop. Got my chips, yeah, it was sick. Lunch was good, back in the car. Off to the Dodgers now with the boys, yeah. Hard Darts 2016, boys. Get around it. Check our skid moves. We get all the bitches and the tits and stuff.
Something smells like food. I'm not happy about this. That looks fun.
You guys eating your fruit?
That's a lot smaller than I thought. Oh, I'm gonna shit on it. Ow! Hasn't even gotten the bottom.
Don't you have your shin pads on?
No. She's good. I reckon I can get that though. You want to do it?
No! 720!
Yo! Oh, you could. Oh. You.
What is happening? Bro, you're killing me.
Do you reckon you can overtake it?
I reckon I can throw chips quicker than this. I can just...
Might have to test that out. Spit chips quicker.
Yeah, hurry up, pass them. Yeah.
You gonna pass them?
I'm trying, but it's... No, you're not.
You're using like...
Come on, there's not too many straights.
Yeah.
That's straight. We'll just boom. No, we'll die.
That's bad, right?
You gotta get... This is gonna be intense, I can tell.
We got free GoPros coming right now.
What? You got another one?
Yeah, I got my bag.
Oh, shit. Okay, so it's 60. Does that mean we can... Oh. I think that means 160, doesn't it? Yeah, that's how the rules work,
Let's have a limit.
What do we got?
Oh, surely.
Fucking go! Get it done!
Go, go. Come on.
Woo! Woo!
Fuck yeah. I didn't know what was going on.
We're doing 120 in a 60 zone. Want to go look out? It'll take like 2 minutes. Yeah, we'll go look out.
What do we do now? Go to Dodgers. The car looks nice there. He's took a nice snap of that with the boys hanging on
Get
it.
the GoPro. No, we need the look out in the back.
Well then just
Well, move your car then, would you?
Like right there and we'll take like
Just take it. Look, there's a bit of a lane. Go on, Dad.
You know you can.
You staying out and then...
We just moved the car. I don't think we need to buckle up for like a trip down there.
I was just saying.
Yes. Well, I don't want to get in. Hang on. Dad, what's he putting his seatbelt on for?
He could crash, alright? He could crash.
Let's edit in a crash as he turns it on now. There's an explosion. Behind you, mate. Look at that.
Not me black mine.
Yeah, there's
That! Why didn't you kick the turbo in?
the bike looks so majestic. I don't think a car would actually hoon that fast.
That thing?
Yeah.
No,
we
she
were
kicks
passing
in.
that
Yeah, yeah,
airplane.
Angler, what are you doing? Jesse Rogers, you hard legend. Hard dance.
I didn't mean parking in the middle of the road. I meant off the side.
What? Let's go. Let's jump in and go. Are we going? Oh, yeah. Are we having a selfie?
I don't think you made out one, man.
Come back!
What are you doing?
Give it some gas!
Give me some berries.
Oh, look out! What's he doing?
What the fuck is coming?
He's just doing fucking laps.
Fuck you guys.
All thumbs up? Yeah, all thumbs up. Wait, we'll go right here. What the fuck was that?
Smooth transition.
It's just a completely different thing.
They're gonna make any reference to the
Yeah.
That made me want to kill myself. I don't really want to ride anymore. Day's over. Day over. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.